All right, we have a neat patient to share. She came to us when she was 37. And the story is basically as she had had kids, her weight had fluctuated up and down over time, and she had really lost her body form. And it, of course, had a big impact on her. She just wasn't feeling great. She didn't want to be active and, of course, be out in a lot of the social settings that she wants to. She lives in South Florida. She wants to be out, enjoying the sun and the beach and the pools and everything else. But she felt very held back by her body. And so she actually spent years researching these procedures. She said she spent years following us in particular. And she finally decided to, kind of bite the bullet and do this for herself. So she came to Cartagena as part of a medical tourism, travel for surgery plan, and we planned a combination procedure for her. So we do lots of these. So when she came and we saw her, this is the shape of her body. We wanted just sort of a global improvement. So we planned a combination procedure for her, a mommy makeover type of approach. We planned a breast lift with implants to get lifted, perky breasts and restore some volume and shape. We plan an extended tummy tuck to get rid of all this tissue, flatten her abdomen with an internal corset, and then we will regularly extend tummy tucks around the side here so that we can take out all of this tissue in addition to the abdominal tissue to lean down the waist, help bring out the hourglass appearance, and actually lift the lateral thigh and the buttock. And then in addition, we planned a high volume liposuction in her to treat all the stubborn areas, lean her, and help bring out the hourglass appearance. So this was our surgical planning, breast with implants, tummy tuck, 360 comprehensive liposuction. You can see during surgery, we filmed her case. We use 2 plastic surgeons, which we do on all of these cases. That allows us to really revolutionize these procedures. And we can do them all at once. It took us about 6 hours with this sort of approach, and you can see immediately the type of results that we're able to achieve. So this is what we would call on table, still bandage up, and she's got to heal, but it's quite impressive how you can change the body. And here she is then a few months later with her post-op results. So her body is completely transformed, beautiful, perky, round, pretty breasts, minimal scarring with the vertical breast lift technique. She's got a flat, soft, beautiful, feminine abdomen. She can be in midriff shirts and bikinis if she wants. And her shape around the back is really quite incredible, how we brought out the lean hourglass figures. So from where we were to where we are in a single procedure is quite impressive. And I think it's only possible with a team approach to keep the operative time controlled and safe. And we've done thousands of these now, so we continue to be impressed, patient after patient, over what a change this can make. But in addition to results and us saying how good it looks, what we really care about is how the patients feel. So this is a testimonial she shot while she was here, and I think a lot of times it's best just to hear from the patients themselves. So let's have a look.
I watched so many videos in Florida at home, and I have to say, yes, I was nervous to travel. You're thinking, well, maybe it's not what it seems, but I think it's important that people back home know that this is an experience of a lifetime. This has changed my life. It's hard for me. It's physical, it's spiritual, emotional. I'll never forget it. So I just want everybody to know that when you come here, it's not about money here. It's about changing people's bodies and getting them back to where they were before. And that's another thing I have to say. My results are unbelievable. More than I thought it was going to be.
So that's what we want. We want people looking great, we want them feeling great, we want to take the things that are bothering them in their lives and get rid of it so they can be out there living their best lives, being their best selves. We see her on social media, and she is young and vibrant and has kids, and they're always traveling around. And she was recently visiting and sent me this photo. So I just love it, because you see she sort of did her own before and after. But if you see in the after how great she looks, look at the outfit she's wearing, the confidence she has, the things she goes out and does is totally different and better after this. So it's been fun to treat her and accompany her and watch her, and we just take a lot of pride in it. So great case.